So here we are at the Rossett Villa, and it's week 2 of 3. So we're almost halfway through work at the villa site. Week 2 is about getting a bit more in definition of what we're coming across, what the floors look like, where the walls are, so that we can start doing a bit more invasive excavation and trying to get more answers to the questions that we have about the site. So Trench 1 is the western range of the villa complex. We've got a number of large walls now appeared in the trench, so it's really coming along really nicely, and we're really on schedule to get this trench sorted by the end of next week.
Here inside the villa, the colours of the features that we've got are really starting to pop. So if you can see here, this is quite an obvious one, but it highlights my point, is that you can see the differences in the shades of the soil and the stuff we're dealing with. So here we've got the remains of a rubbed out wall that would have been one of the internal room dividers, and you can see it so beautifully showing up, where you've got the mortar from the wall and the material that built up around it. And so we're starting to get a feel for the way in which the space inside the villa was starting to be organised.
So we've got the schools to come for a full week on site. The first day I go into the school and do a bit of hands-on with them, show them what to expect, do some mosaic making to get a bit of Roman feel. And then for the next 3 days they're actually on here doing proper archaeology, so they're in their own trenches digging with their hand tools, hoping to get some finds out and answer some of our research questions too.
So we're here today with the open day for our excavations of the Roman villa, where we've been able to allow the public in to have a look at what we found. So just by the sheer numbers that we've had want to come along and see us today, it suggests that people are really interested in archaeology, which is absolutely fantastic. The amount of children already on site, enjoying the activities that we've got going on, having a go themselves at finding artefacts, shows that it's really good news for the future generations of archaeology as well. So the people here today will get a chance to see the excavations and the archaeologists in action, doing all the methods and processes that we do on site. They'll get to see the remains, and the guided tours will explain what the archaeology is in front of them. The members of the public will also get to see the finds, so the objects that have been recovered, but not just that, we've got other finds that have been found by metal detectorists in the fields around us as well, to really highlight the extent of this farming complex and what it might have been during the Roman period.
We do home education, so it's absolutely brilliant for the kids to come and see real history being found in real time and to ask questions of real archaeologists and be able to take part in activities that archaeologists would really do.
So it's a great opportunity as well for the kids to turn up and have a go at sifting through the soil and the mud. And they found a tiny little piece of brick which has made their day, so it's been a great experience all around.
I've just been listening to the talk by the Roman soldiers, and that was really interesting. It's really added an awful lot to the event. It's been a lot of fun.
It's been really interesting, really friendly and nice to come around and have a look.
And the weather's been pretty kind as well.
So it's important for people to come and learn from history. It's important to come and see places like this while they have the opportunity, because yeah, you can read it in a book, but it's not the same as being able to come to a site like this and see what's going on and actually see finds being dug up there and then and actually get to see what they're discovering.